Now, before you see this video, I need to say this. I stand corrected. Excuse me, because I'm in the beginning stages of my beauty regimen. Also, y'all, this t-shirt, my MTV t-shirt that I wear all the time. Now, y'all know I wear hoodies and t-shirts all the time, but they be clean, okay? I just want y'all to know that, because y'all probably done seen this MTV t-shirt 17,285 times. 86 today, but they be clean. My washer is high efficiency, okay? I have a list in Amazon. It's called Slightly Obsessed with Tees or something like that, y'all, because I love them. It's in there, okay? Now, I do have to say this. You see these like little vintage, like little vintage dots and stuff on there? You see that? Now, yours will not look like that. It will just be yellow. Okay, the only way yours will look like that with like the dots and the ink designs and stuff is if you also have a husband who puts ink pens in his pockets and forgets about them and tosses those pockets into the washer with your MTV shirt. Then and only then will not only your MTV shirt, but your whole entire washer and dryer be spotted with ink. You might have a shot of it looking like this. This is an exclusive design, baby. This is a Lilo exclusive, okay?
That's really the only way to go about it, okay?
Okay, now listen. Y'all have corrected me. Let me tell you something. I'm not above being corrected. Okay, so I put out a video a while ago, and it was the flowy Bohemian wig from Yes Girl. And y'all was loving the wig. I think I had 22 at that point. Y'all loved the wig, but y'all was like, ma'am, no ma'am, with those baby hairs. Ma'am. Now we correct each other in this family. I said, you know what? When one person says it, you be like, girl,
it's my prerogative. I can do what I want to do. I mean, my name is not Bobby Brown, but it's Mary. And the same rules apply. Boop, 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 boop.
But upon further inspection, it turned out to be quite a lot of y'all that was saying that it was actually a bunch of y'all who said that. Now, I didn't realize. So then I started re-examining, and I said, well, I could have thinned those little swooper-doops out a little bit. I could have thinned them. I don't know. I was just on one that day. So I said, you know what? Two things. I'm going to do this again with no baby hair because I'm going to give my cousins what they looking for, okay? Y'all was like, ma'am, we pleased, but to what degree of it? And I was like, dang, I don't know what degree. I said, I'm going to do it again. Also, I wanted to ghost buy again. So I ghost bought this wig, y'all. Yes, I ghost bought again. And I know what y'all thinking. Like, we have already shown Yes Girl approved, okay? But the ghost buying don't stop, okay? I just, cause how else we gonna know? You know what I'm saying? But I got a longer length. I got 26 inches this time because I was feeling real spicy, like Lowry's low sodium. But I'm doing no baby hair this time. None. Not even a little swoop nor dupe. All I'm gonna say is this. Y'all might have been right on this one. Because this channel is about y'all. I need to know how y'all feel about these wigs and these styles and these things that I'm bringing to you, because I encourage that dialogue and I listen and I pay attention to what y'all saying. I don't have a problem with that. I don't have a problem with that. As the good brothers Drew Hill once prophesied, tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me if it ain't good enough for you, cousin. Tell me. Cause when I lay the wig down, hey, yeah, y'all don't want no baby hair. Oh, nah, yeah. On your lace front, cousin. With the middle or the side part, cousin. I want y'all to tell me, Cuzzy, tell me what you want. Y'all got to tell me what you want. And y'all did that. Now listen, now watch this with no baby hair. Y'all, yeah.
Bye.